Hello, I know some of you were having trouble logging into Kahn Academy, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on Login. Once you get to log in, you're going to want to click on Continue with Google Classroom, which will be this one right here. You'll see this screen here on the bottom. So what you're going to want to do is click on your school email. And it will take you to this page right here. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go down to this tab right here that says Teachers. Once you get to this screen, you're going to want to click on the blue Enter a Class Code. Once you get to this page, you're going to want to enter the class code, which I had already copied and pasted. But the class code is 7GBV2HBX. Once you have entered your class code, you're going to click on Continue. And yes, you want to join your class, so you click on the blue Join Your Class. And it will take you to this screen right here. And of course, we want to move onward. So your teachers will appear here. You'll want to accept your invitation. And that's how you join Kahn Academy. If you have any questions, please let me know.